Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to talk about making money with LiveGood. Now in my opinion, I do believe that anyone who joins LiveGood and actually stays in LiveGood will make some sort of money. All right. And I think there's 3 types of earners when it comes to LiveGood. The first one is the do nothing or lazy earner. This is basically somebody who joins LiveGood and maybe they just joining it for the products, right? They just really feeling the products, or they just want to, try to get what they call spillover. And this is basically where they get money from the people that they came in underneath, hoping that they get spillover, which will actually earn them some cash. All right. So this person does absolutely nothing. They do nothing but just maintain their $10 a month LiveGood membership, and that's it. Now, in my opinion, I think this person will probably earn the least amount of money in LiveGood. But keep in mind, any money is better than no money. All right, considering that you're paying $10 a month, and just say after a year you've done nothing. After a year you check your account and you see you're getting $80 a month from spillover, or $110 a month from spillover, right? So you subtract your $10 that you pay monthly. So say you're getting $110 a month from spillover, and you're paying your $10 membership. Now you're profiting $100 a month. Think about that, right? And this is, keep in mind, this is, you've done nothing. Now, if you've seen multiple ads and multiple videos, even I've talked about it in some of my videos, you do actually have the potential to earn over $2,000, a little over $2,000 a month from spillover. All right. Now you've gotten some people who actually joined LiveGood, and after 2 months, they're like, where the hell my $2,000 at? Where my spillover money? And yes, it is actually possible to earn this $2,000 a month without doing anything, but this will take time, because remember, you basing it all off of you ain't doing nothing, right? And you're just waiting for, people to get passed down to you. All right. Now, how this works is based off of how many people are coming into your team and how many people are coming into the LiveGood company overall. But the good news is LiveGood is on fire right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single day. And remember, every person that joins has to go underneath somebody else. So in my opinion, the longer you hang in LiveGood, the more money you're going to make. So even if after a year you've done nothing, right? Even if after a year you're like, damn, okay, I'm making $80. The following year, that $80 a month that you're getting from spillover might be $300. 3 years after that, it might be $1,000. So remember, if you're doing absolutely nothing, you will max out at a little over $2,000 a month. The second type of earner that you could be in LiveGood is what I call just a casual earner. All right, this is somebody who, kind of promotes the opportunity. They ain't going too hard with it, but they just talk about it. Maybe they talk about it a little bit on Facebook. Maybe they'll talk about it, maybe they'll get, a few flyers and pass them out here and there. Nothing major. Maybe they'll talk to their friends and family a little bit, and, they just do what they do. Now, this type of person, I believe, could make a pretty decent amount of money. Now, this can happen because you have to understand something about LiveGood's compensation plan. For every person that you bring in to LiveGood, right? For every personal referral, you can earn a 50% matching bonus, which is dope. All right. So what that means is, just say, for example, you just casually promote, and over time you might get little 5 referrals. Just say 5. All right. 5 referrals. And for whatever reason, those people go hard with the opportunity, and just say each of those people made $1,000, in their matrix a month with LiveGood. Just say that. All right. So that's $5,000, all right, that your referrals are making. Because you personally brung them in, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus, which means you're going to be getting $2,500 from those referrals a month. Not to mention whatever you're going to be getting from your from your matrix, right? So just think about that. You were just casually promoting, you know what I'm saying? Maybe even it took you a year. You got 5 referrals in a year and they decide to go hard or whatever. You're going to be getting $2,500 a month. Think about that. Now, to be honest with you, even if you're doing this casually promoting it, you should be able to get, 10 to 15 people. Now, keeping it all the way real, if you had, say, 10 referrals, I ain't gonna lie, maybe 7 of them ain't gonna do a damn thing. They're gonna be in the first group of people. But just what if 1 or 2 of those people really went hard with this opportunity? Those people can make you a lot of money. All right, and the third type of LiveGood earner is what I call the go-getter. All right, now these are the people who jump into LiveGood and they go all in. They feel in the opportunity, they understand the compensation plan, and they got big financial goals. All right, these are the people that can make the $10, the $20, the $30,000 a month in this company. And you might be thinking, stop lying. All right, this ain't possible. There's no way you can make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 from a $10 a month damn membership site. Man, stop lying. But people are already doing it. Like, I interact with people who's already doing it, right? So this is very, very real. And I'm super excited about it because I put myself in this category, right? I'm one of the go-getters. I understand the earning potential of LiveGood, and it's super easy to promote and it's fun to promote. So I'm definitely all in. So what it means to go all in is that you are actually treating LiveGood as a real business. All right, you actually have a strategy on how you're going to grow your LiveGood business. Now, this may consist of using social media marketing, having a YouTube channel, using TikTok, Facebook Reels. It could mean getting offline material, business cards, flyers, attending vendor events, things like that. That makes you a go-getter, right? You take it serious, you work the business. So like I said, if you are one of these people, there is no reason why you can't get to $10, $20, $30,000 a month in this company within the first few years. So the bottom line is, if you join LiveGood, you're probably gonna make some sort of money, whether it be a little bit, maybe it be a nice amount, or maybe it be a lot. Bottom line is, you definitely should get in and stay in. So if you are ready to join the LiveGood team, you know what to do. Click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.